Hey, Brad Kearns here to talk to you about one of my favorite subjects, jumping. You know, Mark Sisson says,
nothing cuts you up like sprinting.
But guess what? Jumping's right in there in the same category because you get this tremendous adaptive response to the exercise stimulus. All of these wonderful things happen after even a short duration workout. You can get tenfold of the adaptive benefits to, let's say, a steady state cardiovascular workout that doesn't have that strong genetic signaling for the adaptive response. So when we jump up off the ground, we are sending a strong signal to our genes to drop excess body fat because the penalty for carrying excess body fat into the air is very large. That's why when you look at a diver, a high jumper, a basketball player, they're lean and mean, whereas jogging and putting in tons of miles, there's not that demand to drop excess body fat. So I'm going to take you through some basic jumping drills, and then we'll go to the next video with some advanced drills after you've built some competency and some injury protection. Here we go. You ready? Okay, we have 6 different jumping exercises here in the basic video, and we're going to do each one twice. So it's going to be 12 sets. And remember, extremely important that the duration of these explosive efforts lasts between 7 to 20 seconds is the optimal duration. You don't want to exceed 20 seconds with doing something that's explosive and difficult, because then you'll engage in cell destruction, you'll have longer recovery time. So right in there where you can really preserve your form and do really well for somewhere in that time frame, and then take an extensive rest period so that the entire workout, everything's of high quality. You're not struggling in to do one more set. That's old school, no pain, no gain. It doesn't work. It causes long recovery time, suppression of immune function, chronic exercise patterns. So everything we do here in the jumping realm is going to be explosive and you're feeling great. And the first one is as simple as you can get. It's jump up in the air and land, okay? Jumping up and down, simple. So we're going to do around 20, and that should take less than 20 seconds. Here we go. Jumping up in the air, jumping down. Notice I want my knees landing over my feet, okay? We do not want to cave the knees in, and we're going to do these continuously. There's going to be a point where you see your form cracking, you're getting tired, maybe it's after 10, 12, and you stop. Catch your breath. It seems simple, but even the host of the video is breathing hard right now. So we're going to rest for about 6 times longer than the effort. So if that was 10 seconds, I'm going to take a nice minute, take it easy, and initiate the second set. Okay, I'm well rested for the bunny hops coming up next. We're just going to bunny hop forward. It's going to take around 10 seconds. We'll see how far I can go, and then take a rest. 2 sets of bunny hop forward. Same thing, landing nicely over the balls of my feet. All right. Hopefully I'm demonstrating excellent technique. We'll review that in editing. But the big one with jumping, anytime you leave the ground, you want to preserve a straight and elongated spine at all times. So I don't want to land and have my neck compressing like this, nor do I ever want to see an arch of any kind. So the spine might bend and twist, right, when I'm playing different sports, but the straight and elongated angle is still there. So when I'm landing, I want to see that spine in a nice protective position, do the best with my feet. You can kind of gracefully balance length versus height here. So I'm not jumping straight up, I'm not jumping straight out. I'm kind of going. Next, backwards bunny hops, as you might imagine, a little tougher than the forward ones. So we want to keep our balance, land comfortably, straight and elongated spine. Here we go. All right, the next one are simple takeoffs off of one foot The next set will be takeoff off the opposite foot. So I'm going to take a few steps lead out to get some power and then jump up in the air. So this one I'm going to take off on my left leg. So when I drive that right hip off the ground and that right arm, I want to hold that explosive position in the air for as long as possible, that heightened jump. Remember, a few steps, run up to get a really nice jump. So here we go, boom, left foot take off, hold. 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 Taking that rest, coming back with the right foot takeoff. Drive the left leg, drive the left arm and hold. Okay, last one. This is getting a little more difficult, so working our way toward the advanced drills on the next video. Explosive 180 jump. So I'm here, I'm gonna jump in the air and turn and land the other way. If it's too tough, feel free to just take it 90 like that, right? But explosive 180 jump looks like this. Change direction, no cheating. Oh, that one's harder. All right, that's 6 exercises, 2 sets each, 12 sets. Doesn't take that long, 7 to 20 seconds for each one. And here I am, I'm still breathing hard after a very short duration workout, and over the next 72 hours getting all those benefits, post-exercise excess oxygen consumption, all these homeostatic drives trying to bring me back with that adaptive response so I'm a little better next time, including accelerated fat burning, so there's no need for extra fat when you're doing those 180s or anything else. Thanks for watching the basic video. Master these things. Make sure you protect your spine, straight and elongated spine on all jumps, especially on the landing, and then we'll work toward the advanced video for more fun stuff. Thanks for watching.